You're scrolling on your phone watching shorts, reels and TikToks. Sometimes you come across engaging and interesting videos that get a lot of views. Gradually, you start feeling inspired to make videos like them. But here is where the problem begins. You don't know how to edit videos, where to find video clips, sound effects, background music or motion graphics. Doing all of this time consuming, and if you're already busy with other work, it can feel almost impossible to create videos. But don't worry, AI video generators are here to help you turn that dream into reality. Let's take a look at how AI text to video, a feature in Wondershare Filmora, can help you create videos with it. First, you need to download and install the Wondershare Filmora using the link provided in the description if you don't have already. Once you open Filmora video editing software, head over to the toolbox. This is where the magic happens. It's packed with all the AI features that Wondershare Filmora offers. And these are real game changers. I have already covered some of these features and you'll find those links below in the description. Now scroll down to find the text to AI video option and click on it to open the settings window. Here you'll find a text box where you can paste your script to generate a video. Since we are often too busy to write scripts, let's use AI to create one for us. First, choose the type of text you wanna generate, such as informative, opinion-based, product coverage or something else. For this example, let's select informative. Next, choose a topic. This can be anything you are interested in. Let's go with something like that health benefits of jogging or cycling. In the more detailed selection, you can add points you would like the script to include, such as cycling benefits for health and its positive environmental impact. Finally, click Generate Text and Filmora AI will take care of the rest and create a ready-to-use script for your video. Now that our video script is ready, it's time to generate the video. By the way, if you want, you can still edit the script. Once you're happy with it, let's make a few adjustments to tailor the video to your needs. First up is voice language. Choose the language that best suits the audience you wanna reach. Options include English, German, French, Japanese or Chinese. For this video, let's go with English. Next, the video ratio. Since we are focusing on shorts or reels, we need to select 9:16, which is ideal for vertical content. For the AI voice, pick on from the drop-down menu. You'll find several sample voices available, or you can use the voice cloning features. It's super simple, just tap to record your voice and clearly read the script provided. I have already made a dedicated video on voice cloning, which you can check out if you are interested. Alright, that's all the adjustments are done. Hit the text to video button to generate your video. Filmora's AI will take up the rest, automatically placing video on the timeline complete with voiceovers, subtitles and background music. Now let's talk about the sponsor of this video, Wondershare Filmora. I have been using this video editing software consistently for the past 5 to 6 months, and that is my honest opinion. It's all-in-one video editing solution. You'll find everything you need to start and grow your video editing journey, like transitions, visual effects, AI sound effects, AI music, and even AI image to video generation. Filmora is packed with all the latest AI tools and advanced editing features like planar tracking, motion tracking, multi-camera editing, and much more, all at a very affordable price. Plus, you can use Filmora on Windows, Mac, and mobile, which gives you the flexibility to edit anytime, anywhere. Check out the video description for more details and a direct link to try it out. And just like that, your video is ready in no time. To be honest, making this kind of video usually takes a lot of time. Writing the script, recording the voiceover, managing video clips, adding background music and creating animated captions. All of that can be quite a task. Now let's take a look at how the video turned out. Since it's a short content, it's a good idea to switch the layout from the default to short video. Then you can also click on zoom to fit timeline to view the entire timeline at once.
Cycling is not just a fun and efficient way to get around. It also offers numerous health benefits and has a positive impact on the environment.
Well, it's looking pretty good. I'll play back the final version at the end of this video so you can see the final result. Yeah, our video is ready, but I wanna make a few changes. Let's start with the visuals. In the timeline, you might notice 2 video clips in different colors. The purple ones are not video clips, they are still images. So for example, we can replace this picture with actual videos or better quality images. Let me show how to do that. First, go to stock media and click on AI image to generate an image. then describe the image you want. For this video we can type something like cycling and hit generate. In a matter of seconds, Filmora's AI will create some amazing cycling images for us. If I go through each AI generated image one by one, you'll notice how accurate and visual appealing they are. By the way, Wondershare Filmora has another cool AI feature called Image to Video Generator, which turns still image into animated video clips. If you would prefer to use videos or pictures from third-party websites, just click on Partners. One of my favorite sites for free videos and images are Pixels, so let's click on Pixels and hit confirm to visit the site. Now you can search for whatever you need, pictures or videos. Since our topic is cycling, let's search for cycling to find relevant clips. This site is loaded with over 3000 cycling videos, giving us plenty of options to find the perfect footage for our content. Now it's time to replace some of the videos in the timeline. Although the video generated by Filmora's AI text-to-video feature is pretty solid, but I'm gonna show you how to customize it a bit. This part of the video is about air pollution and traffic congestion. So let's replace this image with a more relevant video clip. You can find video clips in the media tab, which is mainly used to input media from local drive. First, double click on the air pollution video to open it in the preview monitor. Then move the time indicator to the part of the video you wanna use. Then hit the I key to set in point and the out point. Now adjust the in and out points as needed. Then drag the selected portion into the timeline. When promote, keep the frame resolution as per the project settings. You can tweak the video duration if necessary and position it right where the image to replace it. Once that's done, play the video to see how it looks. You can repeat this same process to replace the other pictures in the timeline with videos, pictures or animations that better fit your content. For example, here we are replacing another image with the traffic congestion video. I think these two video clips are perfectly synchronized with the script. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. These subtitles are fine, but they are quite basic, more like what you would expect in movie. Since we are creating content for YouTube or Instagram, it's better to follow the latest trends to boost engagement. So in this part of the video, we are gonna learn how to create animated captions. And don't worry, it's not complicated at all. First thing first, select all the text layers in the timeline. Then go to Text tab. Here you see that 18 items are selected, which are all the text layers. Now let's change the font from something standard like Arial to something more eye-catching, like Mr. Beast Captions. You see the changes live in the player monitor. Next, browse through font presets. Filmora gives you a huge selection. Go through them one by one to find the best match for your video style. Once you have chosen the font preset or its style, you can adjust the text color by clicking on the color bar at the top. Pick whatever color suits your video's vibe. You can also tweak the font size here to make sure the captions are easy to read on mobile screens. With the basic style done, it's time to add some caption animations. You see options like in, out, or loop animations. Let's start with simple, just an in animation. That's usually enough to make it pop without going overboard. Pick an animation that feels clear and fits your content. Then hit play to test it. Next, we'll adjust caption position. Go to multiple or video tab. This is where you find settings like transform and composition. Here you can scale the text and fine-tune its position by adjusting X and Y values. Make sure to position your caption in a spot that's not covered by channel name, like, share buttons or other UI elements. Once everything's set, play back the video to see how your new captions look after all the adjustments. Let's talk about AI generated music. Before we jump in, first enable the solo track for the background music so you can hear it clearly. It sounds really good, right? But if you wanna switch it up, you can easily replace it. We have two options, either import music from your local drive or generate music using Filmora's AI Music 2. To do that, head over to the audio tab and select the AI Music Generator option. Now let's set it up. First choose a mood tag. Let's go with hopeful. Then choose a theme. In this case, let's try documentary. You can also adjust tempo, duration, music count. For example, set it to generate 3 tracks, just like we previously created 4 AI cycling images. Once everything is set, click generate and let's Filmora's AI to do its things. It will take a few moments to process, and voila, AI generated music is ready. Let's listen to each track one by one to decide which one fits the best in the timeline. Honestly, they all sound great. I think you will be impressed with what the AI can create. Let's go ahead and download the fast track and drop it onto the timeline. I have also made a few additional tweaks to the videos. So now let's enjoy the final result.
Cycling is not just a fun and efficient way to get around. It also offers numerous health benefits and has a positive impact on the environment. Regular cycling can improve cardiovascular fitness, muscle strength, joint mobility, and overall mental well-being. It is a low-impact exercise that helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity.
I hope you understand how to use Filmora's text-to-video feature to create a full video in just a few minutes, no matter your style, informative, funny, or motivational. You can use AI to help bring your ideas to life. Just remember, whether you create videos with AI or the traditional way, it still takes time and consistency to build engagement. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out video description for more details about Wondershare Filmora.